Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on Android. So let's dive in. So when you use the Android version 7.6, your Google Assistant is installed separately from your Google app. So what you want to do is click on Settings, and what we're going to do is scroll down to App Management. Scroll down to App Management and click on that. What we want to go ahead now next is click on App Settings. You click on App Settings, and now we want to scroll down to Google Virtual Assistant Go. You want to scroll down to Google Virtual Assistant Go, and now you want to click on Google Assistant Go. Now click on Permissions, and as you can see, my microphone and SMS permissions are allowed. What's not allowed is my phone and my contacts. So you can go ahead and allow access to your phone and your contacts. Click on Allow. I'm also going to allow my phone. There. Now to enable Google Assistant, you want to go back to your home page, and you just want to hold on the home button. Hold on the home button, and your Google Assistant is here. Now you can say something like "Okay Google," and it will say that. You can also say something like "Tell me a joke," and Google will tell you a joke. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.